Looking for an honest breakdown of the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini? Let's take a closer look. This compact powerhouse is designed to deliver desktop-caliber performance in a retro-inspired form factor, making it perfect for gamers, content creators, and anyone seeking a reliable workspace solution. The ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini boasts an impressive AMD Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, clocked at 12 cores/24 threads with 24 MB cache and turbo 5.1 GHz speeds. This flagship power unleashes next-generation computing capabilities, offering approximately 30% better performance compared to the AMD R78845HS/R98945HS. In contrast, it outperforms the i9-13900HK processor by around 30%. Aesthetic appeal is another key feature of this mini PC. The Retro X5's modern AI power is housed within a retro-inspired design that evokes nostalgic gaming memories. Classic home console colors and elements meet industrial design, creating an eye-catching look. Gaming performance on the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini is exceptional. With integrated AMD Radeon 890M graphics featuring up to 2900 MHz, this mini PC can deliver smooth gameplay for modern titles. The 16 CUs ensure that all modern games run flawlessly, thanks to the power of the most powerful core graphics card. In terms of storage and memory, the Retro X5 comes equipped with 32GB DDR5 RAM, expandable up to 128GB, and a 1TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, expandable up to 4TB. This setup provides rapid data transmission speeds, significantly improving startup times and response speeds for applications. Display connectivity is also noteworthy, as the Retro X5 supports up to 4 screens simultaneously via HDMI 2.1, 8K at 60Hz, DisplayPort 2.0, 8K at 60Hz, dual Type-C ports with DP 1.4, 4K at 60Hz, and more. This makes it an excellent choice for content creators, financial traders, or anyone needing maximum screen real estate. Performance-wise, the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini delivers reliable and stable wireless connections via Gigabit Ethernet, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4. With a built-in DC power input, this mini PC is ready to use straight out of the box. In conclusion, the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini strikes an excellent balance between performance, design, and practicality. Its powerful processor, modern graphics capabilities, and versatile connectivity options make it an attractive option for those seeking a compact gaming solution or high-performance workspace. If you'd like to learn more, you'll find additional information in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.